If you're serious about woodworking or DIY projects, a high-quality dust extractor is an absolute game changer. Not only does it keep your workspace clean, but it also protects your health by reducing harmful dust particles. But with so many options on the market, which one should you choose? In this video, we're reviewing the best dust extractors of 2025 to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Whether you're a professional or a weekend hobbyist, we've got you covered. We'll be looking at 5 top-rated models, analyzing their features, pros and cons, and helping you make an informed decision. And don't forget, check the description box and pinned comment for direct product links to get the best deals online. Now let's dive in. Jet Vortex Cone Dust Collector. The Jet Vortex Cone Dust Collector is designed to deliver powerful suction while significantly reducing filter clogging. This unit features a 2-stage separation system that prevents fine dust from clogging the filter, ensuring maximum efficiency. With a high airflow capacity of 1200 CFM, this dust collector can handle large volumes of dust, making it ideal for professional workshops. The sturdy steel construction adds durability, and its easy-to-empty collection bag saves time and hassle. If you're looking for a dust collector that combines power and longevity, the Jet Vortex Cone is a top contender. Check the description for the latest pricing and deals. Vacmaster Wet Dry Vac with Cyclonic Dust Bags. For those who need versatility, the Vacmaster Wet Dry Vac with Cyclonic Dust Bags is an excellent option. This unit doubles as both a dust extractor and a wet-dry vacuum, making it perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks. The cyclonic filtration system ensures that dust is efficiently separated, preventing clogs and maintaining consistent suction power. It also comes with a powerful motor and durable hose, allowing you to handle everything from fine dust to large debris with ease. Plus, its compact design and easy mobility make it perfect for smaller workshops. If you need a budget-friendly, multi-purpose dust extractor, this is the one to get. Shop Fox Dust Collector. The Shop Fox Dust Collector is a solid choice for serious woodworkers who need a reliable and powerful dust extraction system. With a 1.5 horsepower motor and 1280 CFM airflow, it provides outstanding suction power to keep your workspace clean. The dual filtration system captures both fine and large particles efficiently, reducing the risk of airborne dust. Its heavy-duty steel frame and durable build ensure long-term performance, while the easy-to-maneuver design makes it convenient for different workspaces. If you're searching for a dust collector that balances power, durability, and ease of use, the Shop Fox is worth considering. Festool HEPA Dust Extractor. If you want premium performance and the best filtration system, look no further than the Festool HEPA Dust Extractor. This unit is designed to meet strict HEPA standards, making it one of the most efficient dust extractors on the market. It features an auto-cleaning filter system, ensuring peak performance without clogging. The anti-static hose prevents dust buildup, and the compact, mobile design makes it easy to transport. Festool is known for its precision-engineered tools, and this dust extractor is no exception. If you're looking for a high-end, professional-grade dust extractor, the Festool HEPA model is a top-tier choice. Check the description for the latest deals and discounts. Bucktool Wall-Mount Dust Collector. For those who need a space-saving dust extractor, the Bucktool Wall-Mount Dust Collector is a fantastic solution. This unit is designed to be mounted on a wall, freeing up valuable floor space while still delivering 700 CFM of suction power. The 1 horsepower motor ensures reliable performance, and the efficient filtration system captures both fine dust and larger debris with ease. It also features a quick-release bag system, making disposal hassle-free. If you have a small workshop but need a powerful dust collection system, this Bucktool model is an excellent investment. There you have it, the best dust extractors of 2025. Each of these models offers unique advantages, whether you need a high-powered collector for a large workshop or a compact, budget-friendly option for DIY projects. Choosing the right dust extractor not only improves your work efficiency, but also protects your health by keeping harmful particles out of the air. So which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to check the description box and pinned comment for direct links to these products at the best prices. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.